Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Firstly, I wish everyone a very happy and safe new year. This video is all about new year theme based activities. It's a very late post but still thought to share the ideas with you all. First activity is based on beginning sound letters matching. I have used random objects which are based on new year theme and letter sounds cutout pieces. Kids need to identify the object, name it and match the corresponding letter sound like ha, hat, p, balloon, p, bell and so on. Kids who knows the phonetic sounds can do this activity easily. Second activity is a fun craft which involves pre-writing exercise. On a black construction sheet, I have written 2021 and drawn some sparkles and balloons. Kids with the help of a Q-tube and glue trace the paths. Before the glue dries, they need to spray the sparkles on the glue. I kept it simple. You can try many New Year themed pictures. Third activity is all about color sorting activity. I have taken different colored construction sheet and I have written 2021. Kids need to identify the color and sort them in corresponding bowl. To make it more challenging, you can even write 2020 and 2021. In fourth activity, I have taken two bowls on which I have written previous year and a welcoming year. In another bowl, I have taken some small white sheets. I have written 2020, 2021 in different styles and colors. Kids need to open the sheets, identify the year and sort them in respective bowls. It involves a bit of surprise. Kids can enjoy opening the sheets and see what is written in the sheets. Next activity is a DIY worksheet. On a white sheet, I have written New Year number along with some other numbers and letters. Kids need to identify New Year and make it more challenging based on the kids' identification levels. Next activity is a beginning sound letter matching worksheet. I have drawn simple pictures on one side based on New Year theme and letters on the other side. Kids need to identify the pictures and match accordingly with the beginning sound letters. Next activity is based on coloring activity along with pattern observation. I have written 2021 on one side of the sheet and made some color patterns on the other sheet. Kids need to identify the color patterns. Either write or color 2021 with same 4 color patterns. It definitely improves kids' patience levels. My little one has done this activity in his own way, but we enjoyed. Next worksheet is based on the circle the odd one out. Kids need to identify the object which is not relating to the new year and circle it. We can even make use of the objects around the house rather than a worksheet. For older kids, we can even ask them to write or draw one object which is not related to New Year. Next activity is count the balloons and circle the correct number. We can even use countables for this activity or balloons to count. Next activity is a visual discrimination activity based on DIY gift box. Using milk carton sheet and construction paper, I made some gift boxes with different patterns. I've cut them into 2 equal halves. Kids need to identify the other half and match with the corresponding half to make a gift box. We can even make this activity with hats. Next activity is a DIY puzzles of snowman, gingerbread man and Christmas tree. In all this activity, I have used recycled products which are easily available at home instead of buying new things. Next activity is a fine motor activity. I made 2021 using bottle caps and mega blocks. With the help of tweezers, kids need to transfer manipulatives to the bottle pits or mega blocks pits. I have used almonds here. You can use pom-poms or any other manipulatives. My kid has enjoyed this activity very much and we did it many times. If you like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Okay. Next is snowman. Snowman. Next balloon. Balloon.